Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome on Razer Blade 15. So to do it, you need to go to your browser that you currently have. By default you should have Microsoft Edge or any other browser that you may have, and then search for Google Chrome. Then open the google.com website. Make sure that it's google.com, not any other website, because you should download apps only from the official websites. Then click on install Chrome. I know it's in Polish right now, but it doesn't matter because when I open the file it's gonna be in English. So let's open the file that's here and click on yes. And now it's downloading. I'm gonna close Microsoft Edge because I don't need it anymore. And now the download is complete. It's installing. And now Google Chrome has been installed. You can sign in or click on don't sign in. Now select your search engine. So I'm gonna select Google and click on set as default. And now you're asked if you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser, and yes I do, so I'm gonna click on set as default. But if you don't want to, you can click on skip. So now this step is gonna be only for the ones that set it as default. It's gonna open the settings and you can click set default here. Now it's made as default, so you can close the settings. Now configure further, click here. Then got it, and now you're in the Chrome browser. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.